Good day guys, in this video I will show you how to fix ChatGPT lagging and slow responses. So pretty much it just comes down to your chats having too much stuff in them. This is something, the kind of issue I've faced myself. So for example, if you open some kind of chat and if you have way too many messages and way too many prompts in one chat, you can actually fix that by transferring the chat to a new one, right? So for example, say you have a very beefy chat. We have so much text and stuff, you log it in, you open it up, it starts loading for half an hour. Understandable, happens to the best of us. To do this, you can just type in something like, make a summary of this chat for me to transfer it to a new chat. Something like this. This is actually something that I do. I often just use one chat and I type in a lot of prompts. And if I need to speed things up, that's actually something I do all the time. I just type in this. This is pretty much the prompt. You can just use it if you wish. And it will give you all of the key details. And then you just go ahead and open up the message that it sends you of the details. Just open it, just copy it. Then you go new chat. Okay, you go new chat. And then you just paste it, and then you can just enter your prompt right away. It will pick it up, and you will start right from where you've ended on the previous chat that was, making you slower. And that's pretty much the best way. Also, if you want, you can try and clear the cache and cookies for it. You just type in cache in your browser, and you can just go ahead and delete the site data in here in the pretty much in your browser. And then you will speed things up as well. That's it, guys. Enjoy these fixes. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and see you very soon.